Hey guys, today I am going to be attempting to Sharpie my glasses, which I realize how insane that sounds, but I've tried like 6 pairs of glasses over the past few months, and these ended up being my favorite, but I don't like how they're just clear brown. I really like the leopard print or tortoiseshell look, but those ones just never fit right for some reason, and these do, so I'm hoping to change these. I tried a paint marker at first, which would have been nice because you can wipe it off if you mess up, but after it dried, it still wiped right off, so that didn't work. So in comes a Sharpie. Kind of terrified. I do have this little printout. I printed out a picture of my glasses and kind of made marks on it to give me a little, idea of what I was doing, because I'm kind of freaking out over it. They were like $100, so the thought of ruining them kind of isn't good, and they're transition, so a lot going into this. So my thought is that I am going to marker them from the inside so it doesn't look as fake or as drawn on, because from the top you'd be able to see that it was more matte and not shiny there. My voice is really weird today. I've had a long day. Anyway, okay, I think that I'm going to mute myself and just kind of fast forward this part, because I'll probably be talking to myself a lot and panicking, so it'll be better for everyone. All right, let's get going. I stopped and got my ring light out so I could kind of see better, but at the same time, I'm afraid it's going to be harder for you to see because of the circles in there, and I was really far away from my microphone. Anyway, back to ruining my $100 glasses. I think I'm done for now. Might decide to do more later, but for now I think I'm pretty much done. Hope you could actually see that. It was kind of hard to do. Let's turn off the ring light. So, I don't know. It's something. It'll be something a little different. I'm back and I already made some updates. So I make sure you can see that good. Obviously on the beginning part of this I couldn't really tell where the camera was, so it was way down here the whole time. Sorry about that. But when I looked at these, the brown marker, it kind of since these are clear and I did it from the back, the brown didn't come through very dark and it was kind of almost a reddish tint. And so I went over it again with a black Sharpie, all the brown parts, and I think it looks way better now. And it still doesn't look like solid black to where it's hard to see or anything, but I think it's a lot better. I need to clean the lenses again. But when I was doing the black Sharpie, I was holding here to do it, and the brown part that was there, it was really tacky, and I could tell it was almost rubbing off of my fingers. And so I was like, oh no, these are transition, which means I'll be wearing them in the sun. So if I go outside and start sweating, am I gonna look like Post Malone and have Sharpie all over my face? Because he can pull that off, but don't think I can. So then I started thinking I should seal it somehow. And so I tried out nail polish and Mod Podge, and I actually drew some lines on this caramel bottle that I have in practice, and the nail polish just smudged it like right away. That didn't work. But the Mod Podge, after 2 coats, it made it not come off my finger, and I rubbed it with alcohol and it still didn't come off on there either. So I ended up doing Mod Podge right on this part, because that's pretty much the only part that would touch my face, maybe down there too, but I'm happy with them. Definitely gives them something a little different than just being plain brown. So I'm glad I did it. Hopefully it'll inspire you guys if you want to spice up your plain glasses a little bit and are scared to do it with Sharpies. I say go for it, but don't try to sue me if it doesn't turn out, because that's not my fault. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.